Today I'm going to teach you how to make payments on Remita platform. So let's say we want to make payments on Remita. Let's say we want to pay for WAEC. Let's say WAEC result checker. We go on Remita. Okay, enter WAEC. You write WAEC checker. You put your name. You can decide to put any name. Put your phone number. Then your email. Confirm your email. Select mode of payment. Check this. I'm not a robot. And submit. Banking. You have different options. The first one by default is your card. You enter your card details here. Second one is bank branch. It means that you print out the Remita code, take it to your bank and make payments. This is phone, but this is what we are using today. So we are using internet banking. So you click on internet banking and then you select your bank.